Good morning. Uh, Today I'll be speaking about the safe distancing measures in public spaces with Edge AI, which the government technology of Singapore has implemented in public spaces. Although the products we have developed were mainly for COVID-related crowd measurements, it's applicable and relevant for any kind of general crowd monitoring purposes. So when we talk about safe distancing, it's not just about requesting people to keep a 1 meter distance, but to measure and monitor whether the facilities are really reaching its maximum capacity. So here's a brief introduction about the Government Technology Agency of Singapore. It's a statutory board of the Government of Singapore under the Prime Minister's office. There are 5 capability centers conducting 3 different activities: the technology experimentation, product engineering and development, and technology advisory and consultancy. And I'm from the Sensors and IoT department. A brief introduction about the talk. Whether it's indoor or outdoor environments, crowd management is a priority. It doesn't matter whether it's COVID or not. It's just to make sure there are no the facilities are not getting overcrowded. So here I'll be talking to you about the indoor and outdoor the crowd deployments at indoor and outdoor environments to monitor the facilities, whether they're getting overcrowded or not. There are 2 key approaches for indoor and outdoor crowd counting. The first is a detection and count approach. Basically, it's the classic object detection and then counting the number of boxes. And then there is a density map estimation where a deep neural network first produces a 2D crowd density map for a given input image and then estimates the total size of the crowd by summing the density values across the spatial locations of the density map. For large crowds where there are lots of occlusion, the density map approach is more robust, and you don't need to commit to a binarized decision at an early stage, so it's more accurate, which I'll be explaining later.